In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails using Clickup, the comprehensive 2025 guide. Clickup is an all-in-one productivity app designed to enhance workflow, and today we're focusing on its email integration feature. Stick around as we guide you through this process step by step. First, you need to head over to Clickup's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in clickup.com. Clickup is renowned for its dynamic platform that serves a plethora of functions for managing your projects, your team, and now emails too. Once you're on the Clickup webpage, the next step is to log in. This is your portal to accessing all the fantastic features this app has to offer. Simply hit the login button. For those who appreciate convenience, Clickup offers the option to sign in via Google. Click on the Sign into Google option, which makes the process swift, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on the same browser. You will need to select your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you choose the one associated with ClickUp to ensure a smooth transition. After selecting your account, you'll be taken into your ClickUp workspace, fully equipped and ready to dive into your tasks. Now you'll want to find the specific task you plan to send an email about. Navigate through your task lists and locate that particular task. This helps keep communications organized and relevant to specific assignments. In the task view, direct your attention to the bottom right of your screen where you'll notice a message box icon. Click on it. This is where the communication fun begins. As you click the message box, you'll see an option to email. Click on email. The interface is user-friendly, turning ClickUp into your very own email client, directly associated with specific tasks. Now that you're in the email interface, go ahead and type out your message. This is where you input all pertinent information you want to communicate. Whether it's sharing updates, seeking clarifications, or progress reports, this feature keeps everything in one place, linked to your task. Once you're satisfied with your email, the final step is to send it. There's a send button ready and waiting for you to click. And just like that, your email is dispatched, staying organized under the task for future reference. We made it through all the steps. With ClickUp's seamless interface, you can streamline your project management process, cutting down the need to switch between apps for emailing. It's all about productivity and efficiency the ClickUp way. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try this feature if you haven't already. It's a game changer for work management.